Hello guys, my name is J Roy and
I can't wait till you
it's
come
another
on.
one. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a banana smoothie. So if you know you're the banana type like me, make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you comment what you really like to add to your banana smoothie so that I can bring you more of that. But right now, just make sure you watch this video to the end so that you could get to know more about banana smoothies. Now you wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumb up so that you could see more of my videos. So just sit back, relax, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what we're gonna be using next. So yes guys, these are what we're going to be using. I got a tin of milk here and bananas, and with the bananas you're gonna be taking 2 pairs, and then I got some honey here. So these are what we're gonna be using, and we just have to put in the banana inside the blender and then put in our honey. So we pour in the honey. It's so real thick and I have to make sure I put all in. Yes, so we're done with the honey and we're going to put in some of the milk. It's like this. Yes guys, and then so with the milk, if you put in a little bit of milk, you're gonna have a thick smoothie, and if you put in a lot of milk, you're gonna have a large smoothie and it's not gonna be too thick. So as to how you want it, you can add a little bit of water, just a little. So yeah, so we're gonna start with the blending right now. And I'm so here we have it done guys. Yeah, we have it done here guys. So we're gonna remove the blender off, so we're now done guys, and this is what it looked like. Wow, looks so good. So we now got our smoothie here. Let me see what it tastes like. Mmm. Ah. Mmm. Ah. Mmm. Mm-mm. This looks fabulous, boys. You gotta do this smoothie guys. So if you know you like this video, and make sure to try it, don't just watch it. So try it, and then I'm gonna be seeing you in the next session of my video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to like my video. Put in the comments box what you like to add your smoothie so that I'm gonna bring you what you love most. See you guys next time. Bye.